Alright, for the sake of the video, I've already done my centering and leveling and all that good stuff, just so you guys don't have to watch me. But make sure that every time you're going to put stickers on, measure it off of a body line. And what that means is this body line on this vehicle is dead on straight. So if you measure from here to here and from here to here and get it the same, you're going to be good. It's gonna do what you need it to do. So what I'm doing here is, if you've ever wondered how these flags go on, or any big stickers, this is what I like to call my insurance hinge. And what we're going to do is we're going to hinge this vinyl right here, do this half, and you'll see. So let's see what I do with it. Got my squeegee, got my scissors. We are ready to roll. And we're going to peel the backing paper real slowly. Make sure you don't take the sticker with the backing paper. See, like it's doing right there, just go back real slow, and that transfer tape, it will pull that sticker up. Sometimes you just have to go back on it for just a second. Right there, it's trying to do it. Just go back a little bit. What we don't want to do is we don't want to take the sticker and the backing paper. We don't want them to stay together. We want them to separate. So here we go. Here we go. As we say around here, now we're cooking with Crisco. Alright. So I'm going to take my scissors and take this backing paper on this first half. Take it off. Okay, and you can see I just took a little bit of piece of the tape I was using to hold it up with, just for a second, just to stick it up there to hold it. Now I'm going to bring the sticker out, and I'm not going to just lay it down. I'm going to use the squeegee to lay it flat. Now I'm not really putting any tension on this. I'm just kind of holding it away from the window. And we're just going to squeegee this thing a little bit at a time. I'm doing about, I don't know, maybe half of an inch, maybe an inch tops, every pass up and down, and then I'm overlapping each pass. Maybe now you can see it a little bit better. You'll see it better on this side, I'm sure. Trying to do this video today without wearing that GoPro on my head like the dork that I am. So, okay. And we've got this whole side. We got the whole side down. Now, you can obviously see there's the end of the window right here. And there's a tiny bit of gap in the body. We want all of our flags from Jeepstickers.biz. All of our flags come just slightly oversized to give you a little margin of error. That way, you know, if you're a half inch off front, back, top, bottom, any of that, don't worry about it. Because what's going to happen, you're going to see towards the end of the video, you're going to see what we're going to do that makes this a perfect edge. So, nothing to stress about. Now we've got this one all squeegeed down. So now we don't need this hinge tape, because when we do this half, this is going to hold this half in place. All right. Pull that up, flip this sucker over here, And we're going to pull the backing paper. This time we're going to pull it from the center out, because we've already got the other half cut off. You'll notice that this flag a little different than everything else on the website. I mean, we make custom flags for people all the time, different stuff in them. Okay, so you can see this time how I'm working it. I'm just arcing it a little bit, if that's what you want to call it. I don't know. Just working it in. All right, now remember I said that this stuff that was past the edge a little bit, did not worry about it because we were gonna take care of that. Well, let's take care of that. So if you've got an X-Acto knife or a flat razor, anything, that's what works best for this. And if you can see, there's a break line where the glass on the window stops and that vinyl and the pre-mask goes past. I'm just going to run my knife. I'm going to put it flat along the window. And I'm going to cut the excess like this. And that makes the installation, makes it really, really seamless. And you'll see here in a second what I'm talking about. Just continue around, following the line of the body and the window. Taking the extra off. And eventually you're going to get all the way around. Like that. I did see down here, didn't get this vinyl out of here. Okay, there we go. So there, you know, we're going to go back again after we pull this mask off, but this is just the precursor, the first trim, but we'll get it dead on. So now we're going to pull this mask real slow and steady. Make sure you don't pull the sticker with the mask, but this is a little bit easier than when you're pulling the backing paper off. This transfer tape comes off really nicely compared to the backing paper. There's the bottom half. see about this top half. See how well this Punisher looks. A lot of people, you know, they'll have me make skulls a lot on, you know, different skulls for different stuff, and I really like making them like this, where if it's going on glass, where the skull itself is the glass, and then the eyes, the nose, the mouth cut out, all that stuff is the vinyl, the matte black vinyl in this case. So let me stand back and look through the screen, see if you can even see this. So I had to move the camera over so you guys could see the sun and all that good stuff. So you can see it's on here, but you know there's some little teeny tiny bubbles that everybody gets them every now and then, and all you do is you can take your X-Acto knife and your squeegee, you just poke the bubble a little bit, run that squeegee over it, and the bubble will be gone. Nothing to it. Nothing to it at all. And there's a flag sticker on a window. Alright, now what I was saying is you can see how some of this vinyl is still wrapped around. You can do it a couple ways. You can trim right along the edge of the glass if there's any left over, or you can just take it and press it down onto the edge of the glass, and that works too. Whatever you know, whatever floats your boat when it comes to the getting it on there. Everybody's got their own personal preference of how they want it to look, you know. And there is my flag. Awesome. Also, a quick word on flag stickers on vehicles. When you put a flag sticker on a vehicle and it's on the passenger side like this, or the driver's side on that side, the stars, the stars of the 50 states or the 13 colony, whatever, you know, whatever kind of or variation of United States flag that you would have, the stars are always going to go forward. So that being said, stars, in this case I've got the 13 colony stars with a Punisher skull in the middle, just because I thought it was cool looking. It's going forward it's on the right side of the flag, but this is the passenger side of the vehicle. On the other side, it's on the left side, but it's forward. So like always, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything that you got about the flag or any of our other stickers, or just any stickers in general, or the overlanding, whatever, any questions, any comments, you can get on the website at www.jeepstickers.biz, and you can contact us through there, or you can get on Facebook and go to the Facebook Messenger on Jeep Stickers page and contact us through there. I'll be happy to answer any questions, and thanks for watching, guys.